In a real agility organization, the new normal is continuous improvement. As a manager, you need to be responsible for maintaining that new normal, for helping your teams to continuously improve. In other words, to learn. As a result, delivering training is one of the key responsibilities of a manager in a real agility organization. You as a manager need to be improving yourself, always learning. You need to gain new knowledge about how Agile and Lean principles work, the techniques and tools, the frameworks, the scaling, and of course, also, knowledge needs to be skill-based as well. You need to be able to do what you're asking your teams to do. Now, of course, you don't need to be an expert on everything, but you need to know enough to be able to communicate that knowledge through training to your team. The team is relying on you to provide the environment and the support to get their job done. And when you're delivering training to your team, that's one of the ways to maximize the use of your time. Of course, there's lots of interesting things to learn about delivering training. For example, I'm sure most of you have been in classroom environments for training. Maybe you've been sitting in rows with someone lecturing at the front of the room on a PowerPoint or some other similar device. Maybe it's traditional slides. And in that environment, typically you're bored. Really, really bored. So what do we do differently? Well, in a real agility environment, we try to focus on group work, people sitting at round tables. This mimics what they should be doing as a team anyway. We create an environment where instead of lecture, we focus on, for example, simulation exercises. Exercises that really get people to practice the skills and techniques that they're learning. Discussion exercises. Exploring the meaning and the application of the concepts and the skills that they're looking at. And of course, any other exercises that give the team or the individuals within the team even just small amounts of experience or exposure to the concepts and the skills. This distinction is very important because it also sets the standard for the culture of your organization. Rows and classroom and lectures and PowerPoint are where you are the authority, where you tell the team what to do. They comply. Group work, simulations, exercises, discussion allow your team to explore, to innovate. And this is exactly what we're trying to create in a real agility organization. You as the manager need to be able to create that environment in the training that you deliver. Contact us at Berteig. We transform people, process, and culture through the power of real agility.